Next week we are seeing very nice opportunity on gold. There are a lot of opportunity on gold. Gold will be giving us a very nice setup next week. I believe next week is going to be great. Now, why am I saying this? Looking at this point on gold, you can see, guys, looking at this point on gold, there was a retracement. Price reacted at this point on gold. There was a reaction here on gold. There was a reaction here on gold. There was a reaction here on gold. What do you think is going to happen when gold gets here? Now, guys, look at this point here. You can see this is a period separator, and each of this period is actually 1 month, one month. So that's to say, at like 4 months ago, price reacted to this level, which is 34.30. Then 3 months ago, price reacted to this point. 2 months ago, price reacted to this point. You can see how gold have been reacting to this level. Now, last month, price reacted to this level. There have always been a reaction. Price have been finding it difficult to break this level every month that price get to this point. Now, this month again, price is still getting to this level. What do you think is going to happen? Now, I want you to always think in terms of probability. Now, it's highly possible that price is going to react to this level and drop down. Now, the same another thing you have to put in mind, when a resistance is being hit a lot of time, it's possible for price to break that resistance to the upside. Now, in the other words, when price respects a resistance a lot of times, try finding it difficult to break, it's trying to tell you that there's a signal there that that particular level is a very strong zone or a strong level that price is really finding it difficult. So it's trying to tell you that if price will get to that level, there are possibility that price is going to react to that level, and there's also a possibility that price is going to break that level. So having this in mind, that this is a strong level that price will actually react to it, we should also have another thing in the back of our mind, that it's still possible for price to break this point, retest, then we're looking for a buy to the upside. So that being said, now looking at this point here, we should be taking advantage of this move, guys, from next week. You can see whenever price get to this point, price always consolidate around this point. You can see the range. You can see this is a range here. You can see this level 32.72. It's a range. Whenever price get to this point, there's always a reaction at this point. Get to this point, a reaction cause the difficulty, a reaction, creating a lot of structures. So now if we should scale down to the lower time frame, like the 4 hour time frame, you can see that price getting up to this point, price creates structures. There's a structures. Price break structures, great structures, break structures, great structures, break structures, great. Wow, this is crazy. Because now let's scale to the 4 hour time frame. From the 4 hour time frame, guys, can you just see what is happening right now? Now, you just meant for you to bring out your channel line or your trend line. Just draw it, because this is the only way you're gonna get a clearer view of when this market is going to change. Now, let me show you what I'm telling you about. You can see from this point here, if you should bring a trend line from here, you just draw it from this point here, and there it goes. From this point, you just draw your trend line. You can see, can you see how it is? Very easy. Trend line is going to show you, it's going to direct you. Okay, see price get to this point, you can see price breaks here, and you see continues to the upside. The same thing, I think the same thing happened from the history back here. Whenever price create a channel line, so whenever price creates a channel line, because we are looking for a continuation of this trend, so you want to take advantage of this channel line. So if you're not seeing the channel line clearly because of the wicks, so you can just switch to a line chart and later adjust it. That's how I do my thing. I switch to a line chart so I can get the clear move of this channel line, and I'll switch back to the candlestick. From now I can now adjust it a little bit, adjust this a little bit. You can see you've got it in a channel line. Very simple, guys. You can see when price breaks out from this channel line, see what happened. When price breaks out, it continues. You just know that, okay, it's going to continue to the upside. This is very simple. This is the reason why I really love gold. Now, the problem with gold is capital. You need a strategy, you need a capital for you to trade gold. Gold is not this kind of a pair that you just go in with a little amount of money, like $10, $20. You're gonna blow it up. It's possible you can actually grow smaller account, but as you as a beginner, I always have to tell you, go for knowledge first. Knowledge should be the priority thing you should go for before you go into trading, especially trading gold. So if you're a beginner, I would advise you to go for currency pairs or smaller volatile pairs that can give you money with lesser spread. Now, when you go for pairs that have lesser spread, is advantage for you, because as a beginner, I won't advise you to go for pairs that have bigger spread, like NZD, JPY, all those pairs, all those should I say minor pairs. Their spread is a little bit high. Depending on the broker, the spread might be even more bigger, might be a little bit tighter. It all depends on the broker, but I would advise you to go for the major pairs like GBP USD, like Euro USD. Euro USD can be recommendable. So that being said, guys, we are looking at this gold chart. We are looking at opportunities on gold chart. We're looking at where we're going to be getting up some pips. getting up some people. You can see price on gold. Price always great channel line like this. So if you confluence this channel line with your zones, with your levels, with your support and resistance, with psychological levels, just confluence it. You will see how sweet this is gonna be. Like you're gonna see how sweet it's gonna be. Whenever price break out from this channel line, you look at to take opportunity of it, advantage of it. You can see price have been creating a lot of channel line when moving on gold. Gold creates a lot of channel line. You can see gold creates a lot of channel line. Whenever you see the break, you take advantage of it. Whenever you see the break, you take advantage of it. This is just how simple trading gold can be. Now, I've also said it now that we are looking for a very nice opportunity for us to take advantage of gold next week. So I'm just trying to show you how you can take advantage of gold using channel line and psychological level zones. So you just have to go for a knowledge first. No, now on this, the same thing, you can apply the same thing at this point too. You wait and see when the market is going to change on gold. Guys, it's just going to be, this is a very nice opportunity. So our target is for price to get to this point and drop. This is our target, guys. So next week we are looking at price dropping from this point. So on gold, if you're trading gold, always have this in mind that gold is going to reverse. Gold is definitely going to reverse. Gold will just get to this point here. Gold will just get here. Then we are looking at the reversing to the downside. So guys, this is all I have for you today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do well to subscribe to this channel, because a lot of content, I'm going to be dropping a lot of content on this channel. Did the same Green FX, and I'm signing out.